Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day and a wonderful time. Today I have a new product for you. It is called the Marksman quality tools. This tool is cordless. Sorry, you can't see that. It's cordless screwdriver. It has 3.6 volt DC, a speed of 180, max torque, and charging time is 3 to 5 hours. So I will just show you the front. So you can just take that off like that, and it's just made for these little drill bits. It makes it very convenient when opening and closing, you know, normal tools, normal like products. Good built, very well put together. So if I press this button, the top one, there's the top button right there. That's to I think that is yeah, that goes left. So that'll go left, I'll open it, and that one will here, the bottom one will that will right is to close it. That will open it and that will close it. I will show you it's. So here I have a keyboard, and I will just want to show you what it's capable of. There we are. So for normal things, I think it is a very decent tool. There's a light on top of here. You click it, it comes on, off. What else do we have is the charging port right there. That's the charging port. So yeah, it's like this type of charger. 2 seconds there. So that obviously, I think it's like your normal DC chargers, and you just have to put that in there like that, and you're good to go. So I think there you have it. Just a basic review, nothing major. Nice, it's sturdy, it's very nice to hold. It's nothing too like loose. It's a good grip. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope you have a great day and a wonderful time.